First, take a moment to assess your surroundings. Look for any distinct landmarks or biomes that could guide you back to familiar territory. Next, use coordinates to pinpoint your location. For Java Edition, press F3 or enable coordinates in the settings for Bedrock Edition. If you're feeling overwhelmed, create a temporary shelter. Building a small base can keep you safe while you figure out your next steps. If you have a bed, sleep in it to set a respawn point. This will help you return to a familiar location if things go awry. Check your map if you have one in your inventory. It can provide helpful clues about your current location. You may want to craft a compass. This handy tool will help you navigate back to your spawn point. Remember, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Use this to help orient yourself in the vast Minecraft world. To avoid getting lost again, mark your path using torches, blocks, or signs. This way, you'll have an easier time navigating back. If you're playing on a server or in creative mode, consider teleporting to another player or a set location to get back quickly. Lastly, remember to stay calm. Panicking can lead to poor decisions, so take a moment to breathe and think clearly.